y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
And we're back.
Yes, again. It's the first one. Chill out.
I know, but I be so excited when we start off.
Good child.
No? You don't feel it?
I feel like our ancestors want to speak to us on this one.
Yeah, they are. All right, so, guys, it's June. June is a lot of things, okay? It's got a lot of things happening.
Whole lot of.
Okay, we have Father's Day. Shout out to the dads out there, okay? We have Juneteenth. I don't know what else is happening.
Summer.
Just the beginning of summer. So it's a lot of different things happening in June. And so this particular drink that we're about to do is Juneteenth inspired. Okay. So I want to give a little history about this. This particular recipe was created by Melissa Fortune. She writes about, she tends to do fashion slash just content creation in general. And so she wanted to do something that would inspire for Juneteenth. Okay. And she came up with this particular drink, which is called the Negro Spiritual.
Ooh, child.
Wade in the water.
Cute, Viv.
Wade in the water, children, wade in the water. God's gonna trouble the water. Okay, sorry. So anyway, the Negro Spiritual is what we're about to get into right now. And so I'm excited. So let's run through the ingredients and then we'll get started. So this features Uncle Nearest.
Okay.
Some Earl Grey Tea. Now that sounds real Earlish, yeah. Okay. And then we have some lemon juice.
Lemon.
You know how I feel. Somebody scrolls it. May not have been me, but I bought it.
Amen to that.
All right, let's get started.
That's 100 proof too.
Oh,
not
Lord.
bad for 100 proof.
Seriously. Because sometimes. All right, so we have our shakers with ice, and we are going to begin assembly. 2 ounces of our Uncle Nearest. Hold on, I got to switch hands, child. I don't know why. 2 ounces, or as our friend Liquor Math likes to tell us, whatever the ancestors tell you. Sorry, that was my bad. I was trying to hand it to you, and it didn't really work out. I'll go ahead and do the rose syrup since it is simple syrup since it's over here. Okay. Oh. 1 ounce. I don't think it's out, right? What do we think? Okay. Is it 4 out? Nope. Must be. Maybe it's fruit. A stopper. Okay. I'm gonna set that aside. All right. 1 ounce. 1 ounce. That's a lot.
I mean, it might be subtle. It is floral.
I mean, that's the thing with the rose simple syrup or lavender. I feel like rose scents are one thing, but I know I have a little bit extra in mine. I just feel like, sometimes it can be a little bit overpowering, but I think between the Earl Grey and the lemon, just the
lemon juice.
Yep, I'll do that next. That's a little easier. 1 ounce of that.
1 ounce of lemon juice. Santa Cruz is your go-to.
So I found it at Target one day because I was tired of the concentrate and I wanted to do something. I can move over here. I wanted to do something that was or find something that was a little less fake lemony. So I tried this and it worked out. So
There's a fake lemon.
I don't know, the concentrate tastes sometimes a little fake.
Yeah, okay.
Would you pass the Earl Grey?
Sure. The tea.
All right.
So what is the tea?
This is by Harley and Sons. This is Harley and Sons Earl Grey
Oh, I was
tea.
saying like
Oh, what
tea
about it?
as in like gossip.
Oh, my bad. You meant the actual tea.
Did he do it? He sure did.
Diddler. Sorry, too late? Too early? I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know.
You guys can decide on your own how you feel about that particular sitch. But,
Child.
interesting.
Oh wait, you said what is this?
1 ounce. 1 ounce of
1
that.
ounce. It smells good.
Yeah, you know, I don't typically drink Earl Grey tea because it's a little bit bitter to me, but it's in a cocktail. You try it out. Oh, child.
I'm sure.
Lord.
That's long legs and short torso.
Okay, that seems to be chilled. Lord, we done let this chill so long, the ice gone. Oh well.
Wait,
Oh, you had a little.
like no water down.
Okay, truth be told, this was supposed to be garnished with a lemon peel, and I ain't gonna hold y'all. I forgot it, bro. My brain just.
Remember, like
I just came from out of town for work, and
Fair
my
enough.
brain was not 100% on what I needed.
poured yours.
My bad. Yeah, I was ready.
I was in the process of judging. Ooh, I must have. I got a little bit.
Okay, all right. I
It
poured
looks
mine.
nice.
It looks like the picture that they put with the little cocktails.
Mhm.
So I feel good about this. All right. Well, let's try it. Cheers. Oh. Oh. I don't get a lot of the rose simple syrup, so shout out to that.
It tastes like something you had.
It does. What though? You know what?
This must have been like on those Friday, Saturday nights when everybody done finished working and they went to go party, because I don't get hard times with this drink.
I don't quite get Negro spiritual, you're right. I get celebrate good times, come on. No? All right. It tastes like a sidecar's cousin.
Maybe that's where the sidecar came from.
This is like
There was a lot of sidecars back in the day.
Yeah.
You know, little
Maybe this is a
wagon.
side
paddy-
tram, you know, I don't know.
You say tram?
I don't know what else.
Anyways, I'll let you go first on this one.
Okay, why not? All right, so yes, it would have been nice to have a garnish. I'm gonna give you that. But it looks like a great drink. It tastes good. I think that all of these ingredients individually, with the exception of maybe the Earl Grey tea, already taste really good. So to put them all together, they complement each other really well.
Amen to that.
I get where they were trying to go with the Negro spiritual. I think that's just a pun on just, giving it something
Uncle Nearest.
to go with. Uncle Nearest, and giving it something to go with the Juneteenth theme.
Yeah.
Like I said, it doesn't give me struggle too much, but it is delicious. And that actually at the bottom line is the point. You want something that is going to taste good, and I think that this tastes really good. I can see me having this in the summertime. It's kind of giving me like
Porch vibes.
Yup, like almost like sweet tea and gossip. Give me a sweet tea and gossip. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 9. Okay. I'm feeling generous to start off with.
Very generous. That's a nice way to start. So you can only go up from here by 1 more point.
Yeah, this is true. Or I can go down. It's nasty. Okay, but this is good. So tell me your thoughts.
I like this. I love sidecars. That's another one of the things I have on my list when I go out. Old-fashioned sidecars, Manhattan, kind of like all in the same umbrella. With that being said, I like this so much. I have no issues with it. I'm giving this a solid 10. A solid 10. So I hope the rest of the lineup is good, because if not, we're going backwards. And I don't like going back to, you know.
We're not trying to go back.
I'm not trying to go back. So hopefully 10s across the board today for me. But this, I love it.
It's good, y'all. I mean,
Be careful with it though.
Yeah. Keep in mind, we said sidecar. It's still.
Don't fall out the sidecar.
Don't fall out the side of the car.
Right.
The thing I was most worried about was the rose simple syrup, because I was just worried it was going to be, it's already real thick. Okay, it's real thick. And I was worried it was going to be overpowering. But like I said,
yeah,
I tasted like the hint of it, but mostly I think the rose simple syrup was used for color. Because what is this giving you? So you have your lemon juice, you have
giving me an amber.
It does have amber waves of green, you know. But I digress. So my point is, it's giving me a hint of like a rosy color, okay, in there. Because I don't really like I don't so much taste the rose. Do you taste it? Maybe
I have
a little
hint of floral, but nothing crazy.
Nothing overpowering.
Yeah.
So, you know, with that, you guys definitely need to put this on your Juneteenth slate of drinks. Because listen, at this point, Black folks, all folks, we use every holiday for drinking. So go ahead and put this on your card to try. All right.
You got the whole summer bowl.
I'm really excited for. Oh man, I forgot what the gentleman called it on TikTok, but the annual day when the plastic chair fight took place. Remember that where black seaman was having to go at it with the plastic chair, and then your man's was swimming over here.
Oh yeah, that was a thing.
That's coming up August 5th.
Yeah, drinking on that. Drinking on
the
the dock.
What's the Spanish word for chair? He called it cinco de whatever. And
Cinco de
no,
chair.
You know what? He didn't. I lied. He actually called it Cinco de Agosto. He gave it its own.
Agosto is
August. He gave it its own holiday.
That's fair. I mean,
so you could even drink this there.
On the dock.
But Juneteenth is coming up first, so try it then. Tell us what is on your slate of Juneteenth beverages, because we obviously like to sample things. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, okay? Because, you know,
ring that bell.
You get that notification when our videos go live. Because some of y'all was like, I didn't even know y'all had a new episode this week. First and foremost, I keep telling y'all, every Thursday,
your mama should have raised you better.
Is when the videos come out, okay? But if you have rung the bell, you will know. Okay?
Ring the bell.
That's all I'm saying. Okay.
Ring the bell.
So keep it cute.
Ring the bell.
Because we be telling y'all.